you remember the video where we got chased by a rally driver? Yeah, today we're driving that road again. But this time it's Sunday morning and we're driving it downhill. Welcome to part 4 of our trip to Italy, to this tiny village called Pelio. It's alpine passes, sounds, drama,
Are we gonna scrape?
views, and a few moments we definitely didn't plan for.
This looks so wrong.
Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna drive back home. It was a really nice weekend, but now let's head back home. Challenge number 1, putting all that luggage in our trunk and also the roof. That's gonna be a challenge. Everything is in, even the roof. It's actually quite practical. There's a lot of space in here for a nice weekend trip out. Let's go. The roads here are so funny. It's up good. Huh. Didn't like second gear as much as I did. I think that's the first time I stalled it. After a year of ownership, you can already see on the map this road right here is super cool. Here is one of those noise radars. So if you drive past them and you're too loud, they're gonna detect you and then you're gonna get a fine. But I don't think they work here. Yeah, let's let the car warm up first. Anyway, here, pedestrian zones, I don't want to be too loud. Yeah, it's also 9:30 a.m, so no traffic at all. Really, really nice. Alright, the car is warm as well. Now we can give it some beans, unless of course there's a speed limit of 30. Ah, that's the border. The toll, as we say in Schweiz. Watching out for stuff on the road, because the rocks and stuff can really fly and damage your car. And obviously oncoming traffic. Mountain blast early in the morning. Is there anything better? The brakes work really good on this car. Oh, big rock, okay. And these hairpins are really tricky. We don't have hairpins this tight in Switzerland. Okay, let him pass. You literally almost cannot cross here, and I have to take the white line, otherwise I can't take the corner. Oh, that's a nice guy, he stopped for me. Yeah, but those turns, man. Uphill was honestly much nicer. I'm at full lock. This is where like a car with a faster steering ratio or a rally car would be a bit more beneficial. But still, man, the Lotus is so much fun on these roads. Thank you. Okay, we have one car in front of us, so I'd say we'll quickly wait. Yeah, I think we waited long enough. Honestly, you don't even want to drive 90 here. Especially around these blind corners with oncoming traffic. Okay. All right. I mean, at least, oh my god, is that a puppet? No! Don't do that! That is so creepy! Whoa! I think I might have to replace the front pads at the end of this season. Front brake pads. Here's that steep ass road. Whoa! No scraping, okay. Oh, another nice guy waiting for us, I guess. Is my car squeaking? I think it's the brakes. I think it's my car squeaking, yeah. That sounds ugly. But not if I take a left turn. Only if it's straight. Alright, next fun road. Yeah, it's a bit less talky this ride because it's early in the morning. I'm not quite awake as well. Wow. I'm sorry. Okay, I think we're done. Road ends here anyway, but that was, oh my god, a lot of fun. This road is so sick, man. Oh my god. And the nice thing is it has 2 lanes. So the cars can easily cross each other and it's not as dangerous as if there is just 1 lane. Especially in those blind corners. Whoa. Okay. First adrenaline of the day done. Damn. If you enjoyed this video so far, guys, please leave a like. Also subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And comment down below, have you been to Italy already? Or are you planning to go to Italy? If you're a car guy, I can really recommend it. The roads here and the people, the food, so nice. And Switzerland is just right next to it, so you can visit that as well. Next, you're gonna probably see us on the Gotthard bus on the way up. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.